is such a simple concept. When you use these sharpening rods, you have no clue what angle you're sharpening at. This actually causes you to blunten the knife even further instead of sharpening it. The only way to actually sharpen a knife is by holding it at the exact correct angle for the entire time you're sharpening it. Then from just a couple swipes, you end up with results like this. Look, the tomato's not squidging onto the knife like it was before. And for anybody wanting a paper test, well, here you go. So if you want sharper knives than a professional chef, you can get this thing for a whole tenner cheaper than it is on Amazon just by going through that yellow basket in the corner.